Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great time wherever you are. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and Doordash. I have a shift with Doordash from 11:30 to 1:30. So we'll see how it goes. So let's go make some money. So please subscribe, give a thumbs up to help grow this channel. Watch the video to the end because I do my summary how much I make for the day. 14 kilometers. That's pretty far. That's far away to pass. Damn, it's really slow. I didn't get any order. I had one order but it was really far. Here I have another one comes in here. Let's see. 13 minutes, 4.3 kilometers. McDonald's always take long. I'll accept that. Hi, is that Uber Eats? Have a great day.
You too.
Yeah, thanks. Customer is 1 minute away. Really awesome. 1 minute. I arrive at the customer. It's an apartment building. Let's see what it says here. It says leave it at the door. Okay, let's go drop that off. So I dropped that order off. Whilst waiting, I have another order from Uber Eats. And it's a McDonald's order. I think it paid five and something change, $5.30 or something like that. So I'm gonna mark this one deliver. I hand it to the customer. She came down and grabbed it. Oh, there you go, $7.10. So I arrived at the McDonald's. This is my second McDonald's order. I guess lots of people like their McDonald's on a Saturday lunch. Customer is 1 minute. Not bad. Not bad at all. So the customer is living in an apartment building on the 7th floor. Let's go drop off the customer. McDonald's. Yeah, the customer came down, get her food. She was at the door waiting, the entrance door. So I didn't get to take a picture, so I have to put a text in. So it's close to an hour. I only made $12.44. Not great at all. Sucks. It was Saturday lunch. I think lots of people are out shopping, going to the restaurant themselves, having lunch. So I'm back to my favorite spot. It's really slow. Not looking good for a Saturday. I'm just gonna be making minimum wage today. think I have an order with Doordash. Let's see. Pizza Hut, $8, 4.6 kilometers. I'll accept that. I think customer tipped $2 there. So I arrive at the Pizza Hut. The Pizza Hut. Let's go grab that food. Okay. So, pick up the garlic bread and cheese lover pizza. They're like really tiny pizza. Slide, pick up. Let's see. And leave it at the door. So, leave it at the door. Those little pizza. So I delivered that order. The guy opened the door and he was like, "Oh, are you sure you get the right address?" I said, "Oh, yeah, it says here." So I guess his wife ordered the food, or he didn't know. So he hopefully it's the right address. I complete the order. Customer didn't tip, so I was wrong earlier. I thought the customer tipped $2. So there was a promotion, peak pay for $2 with Doordash, so that's why it was $8. $6 base pay and $2 peak pay. Cheap customer. Cheap. ASS. That's the way it works, right? Some people tip, some people don't tip. So hi guys, welcome back. Now it's 1:15. I don't know if you could see it there. 1:15. And I started around 11:20. So I'm just gonna end my shift. I just want to do 2 hours today for the lunch hours, and what a crappy day. So I'll give you guys the final summary in a few minutes. Stay tuned. So hello guys, here's the summary. It's not much to talk about. I have the first delivery with Uber Eats here, $7.10. And then here's the breakdown. The customer didn't tip. It's a big fat 0. The second one with Uber Eats was $6.34. Customer tip $1. And then I had one delivery with Doordash, was $8. Base pay was $6 and peak pay was $2. So between Doordash and Uber Eats was $22.44 divided by 2 hours, $10.72. That's less than minimum wage. So if you're doing this gig work, you have to expect these days, it's not every day you're going to be making $20 an hour or $30 an hour. Plus it's a Saturday lunch hour, so it's probably it's busy. It's not busy that time. So that's the way it worked. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.